in Python or specifically in PyQt5, when we want to use a progress bar to show the progress of a hectic task like copying a file, like extracting frames from a video or others, we commonly face an issue that our GUI is getting stuck. Here is our tiny program. This is the progress bar and this is the command button, and when I press the command button, my program will take input a MP4 file and extract each frames from that file, and it will show the percentage of the extraction in this progress bar. So here is our code. It will first open a file dialog box to get the file, and then using OpenCV I will capture the video and extract each and every frame, and I will set the percentage on this progress bar, and it will store all the frames in this new folder. So let's see. This is the file, a video song. Look, the frame extraction is going smoothly, but our GUI is not responding yet. So this is the problem. Our GUI is not responding, but the process is doing fine. So I press Ctrl C here to stop that. Now there is a way to implement a thread class, and using the signal and slot mechanism we can emit a signal from that class. But there is another way. Let's remove this. There is another way. I can simply add a single line here, which is QApplication.processEvents. Now let's see what happened. This video, and look at this. There is no stacking of progress bar here. It is finally working. It extracting the frames, and the progress bar is also running. So what is the main reason? We can use this application when our program is busy to performing a long operation. For example, these operations. There are a lots of frames in a 4 or 5 minute videos. So if we want to use our progress bar without getting stuck, we can use this line, QApplication.processEvents.